Welcome to Townhouse 3 at 242 Old South Head Road in Bellevue Hill. Located at the rear of a small boutique development, this townhouse is spacious and light-filled throughout, offering an oversized entertaining area with open-plan kitchen, dining and lounge, leading out to a gorgeous undercover courtyard with floor-to-ceiling glass and modern features throughout. This two-level townhouse comprises of 3 large bedrooms, all with built-ins, and the master with an ensuite with a twin shower. One of the important aspects of this property is the double lock-up garage with rear access up through to the townhouse. The complex also offers security intercom system and visitor parking. This property really has the space of a house. Where else will you find in the eastern suburbs a property like this? Some of the other features of this property include polished timber floors in the entertaining area, marble bench tops in the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an oversized internal laundry and air conditioning, perfectly designed for entertaining and family lifestyle. Thank you for having a look at this gorgeous townhouse today. I look forward to showing you at one of the inspections.